So Apple has released the new passwords application on iOS 27 with a couple of new features. So I'll show you exactly how to use this application. Now the passwords app looks like this. So if you want to, you can go ahead and open it up and you'll be able to start to see this particular application just like so. So then you can go ahead and open it up. Now within iOS 27, kind of looking around it, you'll be able to see that you'll have your passwords set up right up here. So it'll show you all your passwords right up here under all. Under passkeys, you'll be able to see your green button right here that'll show you the different passkeys that you have. Under codes, you'll have codes. Wi-Fi will just be Wi-Fi passwords, security, and then deleted. So any deleted passwords you'll see right over here. Now, in the bottom, you'll be able to see it search for your passkeys. And then you can also search on this search bar right at the bottom here too. So you can tap on search and you can modify your search if you want to look for a particular password. You can also click on the plus button here if you want to go ahead and generate and create a new password. You can go ahead and create a new password just by coming into this page. Now, if you want to view your passwords, you can tap on all and you can begin to view all your passwords and accounts that you basically have. From there, you can tap onto a particular account password and be able to open it up. Now, if you click on the top right corner right here, you'll be able to see your generated passwords if you had any generated passwords. And you can also export your password data to another application. So if you want to go ahead and basically view your data from maybe a different account or whatever, you can go and view that there. And that's another really cool thing that you can basically do there as well. From here, you can also click on the little file browser button down at the very bottom if you want to go ahead and basically see your shared passwords and everything like that. You can add trusted contacts, you can choose what to share, and you're basically in control here. So that is how to use the new passwords application on iOS 27. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.